Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for January 4th, 2019. Menagerie Cosmetics, known for the Feral palette, will launch their Velvet Matte Liquid Lipsticks today. Nope, strike that. They're a little backed up from the holiday orders, according to their IG story this morning, so it's been pushed to tomorrow, Saturday at 11 a.m. Pacific. What can you expect? 13 shades, lightweight, vegan, and cruelty-free. This one is called Igneous and is an intense burnt orange. In the packaging that forms lovely animal scenes when stacked. $16 each. Watch their IG for shade reveals throughout the day. Here's new flavors being launched by Sweet Chef, not for cooking but for your skin. The new serum shots from Glow Recipe target specific skin concerns like brightening, hydrating, and pore refining, and are made with a mixture of vitamins and vegetables. Coordinating sheet masks too, coming January 16th. Mark your calendars. These MAC Hyper Real Glow palettes are set to arrive online and in-store in early February. Finally, Marlena from Makeup Geek gave us a look at swatches of the rebranded shades named by fans and headed for retail any minute now. Our favorite name, Coffee Before Talkie. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time Monday. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, returning this Sunday.